Hi Crystal, so today I decided to paint this beautiful anime girl and I took reference from Pinterest and I'm very fond of different colors and all, so I decided to make her because she was looking so beautiful and so colorful at the same time. And yeah, what I did, I had used some gouache paint and some water paint, of course. And I wanted to tell you that I had recently started using these brush, like the one that has water filling capacity and all, like you are watching, and I used it. So I wanted to give a review about it. It's actually a little bit like sketch pen, the paintbrush sketch pen which are available in the market, because they contain a lot of color, and that color like go on from time to time, so you can just not change color differently and like so rapidly. So you have to use normal brush when you wanted to paint a larger surface, then you can go for that tip brush, brush pen, that is of course having the water filter inside that pen only. Now, coming to the topic for the day, why people love more anime characters and uh, and also more cartoon characters than normal dramas and normal serials and normal movies. Nowadays, this is going on trend, and it's actually good because many people they just think what are we watching on only, and what are we like fond of, and they think that one who is watching anime and all went crazy, because the craziness is like growing day by day. And in our country also, the craziness was for anime was before, like few years ago only, but it was like for only children. But nowadays elder people and older people all are watching. But in different countries like Japan, South Korea, China, and many countries, they actually have been watching anime since many years, and they like just love it. They are very fond of it. But people here in my country think like, what does it give to us? Like if we see or if we watch anything, definitely there is going to be something, either it would be entertainment or it would be some knowledge that we're taking in. But my friend, there is very beautiful answer that I have figured out watching some animes like from years, and now I figured it out that actually why people love anime a lot, and I wanted to give answers to them who is actually not used to it and they don't love anime characters. So I wanted to tell them, because anime give us a life, of course. They have a beautiful like sent to it, because when we are going through a lot in our life, we always tend to move to the direction where we get something like nice and something that gave us comfort, and we shift to entertainment products, and entertainment products are actually movies, dramas, and anime, and many more, songs and all. Songs are actually the one of the most used product, I can say, nowadays. But anime and dramas are also going on, and their expectations are also growing, and people are watching them, watching it on and loving it also, because I'm also one of drama lover and also one of anime lover. Also, I love drama most of the time over anime, but I would not compare these two things because they both are different, but they both give us a beautiful vibe, a beautiful comfort that we cannot get easily from normal movies that have so much negative content going on. There is this tendency that human have that they always shift from the negative to positive whenever they find it, because these positive vibes and everything which come out of anything is nature, actually nature of soul of body. So every human being tends to shift toward all positive things always, because that is the like living organism are tend to do this, because that is only the thing which one can do. If we are crying one day, then definitely we would laugh also after some time, or maybe another day, maybe few after few days. So there is this tendency and it's actually okay to do it. So I'm one of that only, and I love watching dramas, anime, and all. So if you like my video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.